Hello world, what's up guys? Welcome back to today's video. You know that I love to take you shopping with me. Today is no exception. Today, you guys, we are going shopping for luxury men's skincare. Now, I don't talk about men's skincare, especially men's luxury skincare enough. Today that all changes.
Good morning.
Hi, how are you?
Okay, first we have to stop and look at the sales because you guys know I am a sucker for coupons, and if you live in Canada, Shoppers has these extra point days. Amazing, phenomenal. Now we're heading upstairs to look at the men's luxury skincare section. They have this really nice display here. This video definitely is not sponsored. I just love. Look at this men's skincare zone. Today I'm going to talk about all of these skincare products. I'm going to take my time. It's early Sunday morning. What are these? Now Christmas is coming and I've got my eyes peeled for Christmas gift sets. David Beckham. Now I've never used these fragrances. I like to pick these cheaper ones up and honestly use them as just room spray or like coat spray. I love it. Anyway, stay on track, Trevor. Now look at all this skincare. Where do we start? I guess just in the upper left-hand corner. Biotherm? Okay, I've told this story before. Biotherm was actually the first luxury skincare. See, their products I would say are mid to even low luxury skincare prices. It is a great place to start if you want to indulge in a little luxury skincare. What is this? The cleansing gel. Now, I also remember this foam mousse. You know, I honestly don't feel that luxury shaving creams necessarily you need to buy. I just like to stick to the cheaper ones, especially since these contain fragrance anyway, and $25, this has just as much potential to irritate your skin as anything else. So as far as shaving cream, I would leave that behind. Now, what is this? A moisturizing balm aftershave. I often say skip aftershaves as well, and this one in particular contains fragrance. A day control body shower. Now, one of the reasons that I love Biotherm is the scent. So if you're someone who is scent sensitive, Biotherm definitely has a pretty distinct fragrance. That's something that I don't necessarily mind, but if you're mindful of fragrance, they definitely do have a fragrance. Now, if you're an OG family member, you have seen me use this. This is one of my tried and true. Look, there's literally only one on the shelf. This is the Aqua Power Cleanser. It's $32, and the reason why I love it so much is it starts as a really thick balm, and then it works into the most luxurious foam. Oh, now you guys know I am obsessed with toners and essences. I've never seen this before. Fermented? What is this? A fermented essence? How much is this? $44. Do I need this? You guys know I love an essence as a first moisturizer treatment. Oh, okay. I really need that. Over here we have the Aqua Power Moisturizer. I've used this one literally since I was a teenager. I have tried this one once or twice before. It's just a thicker formula than the one in a pump bottle. Provides 72 hours of hydration. And the reason why I love the Aqua Power line in particular is because everything is a gel or a really light texture. Now, what makes the Biotherm products so luxurious is you guys know about their legendary waters from the French Pyrenees Mountains. That is some type of innovative biotechnology. That formula soothes, regenerates, and protects the skin, gives you a glowing complexion. Now, as we move down to anti-aging correction, the products do get more expensive, but oh my gosh, this is another essence of the Force Supreme essence. I need these in my life. Okay, this was a bad idea. Coming to look at all of these skincare products is literally so triggering. Now, as you can see, these products are a little bit more expensive. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just snapped off. Okay. Moving along, down here for anti-aging prevention. Now, these products bring me way back. I did use back in the day. I remember it has a really distinct scent. Oh, the Total Recharge line. Have any of you guys tried this before? This line is all about energizing the skin and waking the skin up. I loved this tonic. It wasn't something that I purchased, but it always seemed to be in a gift with purchase. I was obsessed with it. It's a really light texture and it does really energize the skin. Now down here we have some shiny and oily skin products. This is way down near the bottom, so oh my gosh, this is so interesting. What is this? This helps to control oil up to 8 hours. Okay, interesting. Over here we have some deodorants. Again, these are, more expensive than your typical deodorants, so unless you have some extra coins to burn. Oh my gosh, I literally just snapped that off again. I'm a mess. Unless you have extra coins to burn, I would just stick to the normal deodorants. All right, now the Lancome line. Here we're getting a little bit more expensive. First we have the cleansing gel. Now I have only used, oh my gosh. Oh, okay, I'm literally just gonna put this down here and we're gonna keep going. So this is the cleansing gel. Now okay, literally my OCD is driving me crazy. Let's straighten these out. The Lancome Men Genifique HD. Okay, there we go. That looks a little bit better. Now, I have used this before. You guys might remember it. I've actually reviewed it on my channel. Now, the thing that I liked most about this serum is it did make my skin appear very smooth, but it did feel like there was a light film on it, almost like a silicone feeling or a dimethicone feeling. It definitely did smooth out my pores, but it felt like there was something on my skin. Why am I always suckered by eye creams? $61. Oh my gosh. But I mean, hello, it looks so luxurious. Okay, now just excuse that big plastic banner down there. I mean, why do they fall off so easy? Down here we have the Tweezerman gear, a mustache comb, we have tweezers, scissors, American Crew products. That brings me right back to high school, junior high. Okay, now if you are a true OG follower, you know that my love for Clarins runs so deep, and in fact their products are some of my most favorite products that I have ever used of all time. Now, as you can see, for a luxury brand, Clarins products are priced fairly affordably. Here we have the shampoo and shower. Now, I've never used this before. Listen, it has an Elle Beauty Award winner on there and I need to try it. Ooh, and over here we have the Smooth Shave Gel, another Elle Beauty Grand Prize winner. Ooh, now an aftershave lotion. Now this is this over here. Okay, I see. Beautiful. The packaging, you guys, I'm just obsessed with. Okay, so oh my gosh. So look, it makes it even easier here. At the top of every box, you can see this one is for hydration, anti-aging, shaving. That makes this so much easier. So no matter what your skin concern, it makes it easy to start right off the bat. It makes it really visually easy to see which products you love. Oh my gosh, the Super Moisture Gel, actually one of my favorite moisturizers I have ever used. I cannot say enough good things about the Clarins men's line. Affordably priced, great products. I cannot say enough. Now over here, I cannot say enough good things. Now over here we have the number 7. I first fell in love with the number 7 line when I lived in England, in London, and this was actually developed by Boots UK, which is their big pharmacy over there, and I was obsessed with these products. I just loved how simple these serums were, how effective they were. They traveled well with me. I brought them everywhere. I actually used all of the number 7 line. I loved it. Here they have a roller ball for your eyes, an energizing face scrub. Have any of you guys traveled overseas and just fallen in love with the number 7 line? Let me know in the comments down below. Now, what do we have in here? The Smooth Styler House 99. What is this? A little gift pack? Shaping pomade. Oh my gosh, shampoo. Get out of here. Wait. David Beckham. House 99. Oh, okay, my brain is connecting all of the dots. He has a whole face and body collection? No, get out of here. A toner, a face wash. House 99 Perfectly Clean Face Wash? Get out of town, David Beckham. What? A moisturizer? Okay. Okay. I cannot. What? Y'all, I'm shook. I did not know about this. A spray moisturizer? No. What? More gift sets? This just looks like a bigger gift set than the ones we already looked at. Yeah, it's definitely bigger. Wow. This would make a great Christmas gift. Okay, putting that on the list. Oh, no, this makes an even better Christmas gift. Oh, okay, I love this little pouch. Get out of here. Look at this. Face wash, body and hair wash, shaving cream, all in that little pouch. How much is this? $25? Obsessed. Love. Need. All of the above. Now, down here we have, oh my gosh, all this beard care. This is a gigantic line. Oh my gosh. This is like, oh my gosh, this is so many products. I'm shook. A beard and hair balm, purifying beard scrub, a shaving foam. Have any of you guys used this? Have any of you guys out there used this? Those are pretty expensive beard. Oh, no. Okay, you know what? I'm just going to drop it and keep moving on because I can't with these, you guys. I literally cannot. What's the point of having these if they do not work? I don't understand. Okay, moving along. I cannot believe that Clinique for Men is so low on this display, you guys. Now, these are the classic skincare products. I'm sure if you're a guy out there, you've tried at least one Clinique for Men skincare product in your life, whether it's the bar soap or the daily moisturizer. I actually used this oil control mattifying cleanser when I was in high school, and it worked really well at controlling my oils. Of course, there is the classic moisturizing lotion. That's like a given. Now, I have heard good things about the SPF 21 moisturizer. Alice, I think this is the one that you love. If you're out there listening, Alice, let me know. Is this the hack? Is this the men's sunscreen that you love to buy? You know, if you're someone who's just a beginner in skincare and want to start somewhere at the pretty basic level, honestly, the Clinique for Men skincare line might be right for you. Oh, another little gift set? Okay. Y'all know, I love a good gift set. The face wash, the cream shave, and a hydrator. That looks like a jelly. Interesting. I love little packs where you get to sample different things. Now, way down here, we also have Lab Series. I haven't tried any of these products except for a couple of samples of just the moisturizer cream. I haven't been super wowed, but that's not necessarily saying I wouldn't like to try in the future. All right, gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed today's video, or ladies, if you stuck around just to see what the men's skincare section is like. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell notification. I love you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.